Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. Okay, now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's a birthday party celebration, and that's hosted by Grandma Sandy. So the birthday queen today is Gigi from Gigi's Creations. So I hope your day is blessed, and I hope that the favor of God is upon your life. I hope that He answers all of your prayers and that He gives you all of the desires of your heart. I cannot wait to see how everybody celebrates your birthday. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so jumping into the video, we're starting off first by making a little sign that says Gigi for her birthday. So we are coloring it in purple, and then we're going to start embellishing it. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So what I'm doing here is just sealing everything up with the Mod Podge. So we're going to leave that here to dry, and then we are moving over to decorate a tier tray. So I absolutely love this tier tray. I made it with 2 chargers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and this is one of my DIY cakes. It is absolutely gorgeous. It says happy birthday on the top, and then of course we're going to add Gigi. I decided to use this plaid scarf that I saw at the Dollar Tree. I thought these colors were so fitting for this occasion. So I absolutely love adding the trees and the pine cones because we are still in winter. So let's just continue with the florals, and this is gonna come out absolutely gorgeous. Now here we're getting ready for the reveal. I do want to take a moment right now and thank Grandma Sandy for hosting this collaboration. And Gigi, I hope you have the best birthday ever. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And make sure and head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody chose to celebrate Gigi's birthday. I'll see you in the next one.